In fact, isn't it true, sir, that not everyone in your administration is convinced that the Messiah will save us?
Hala si Mingming, kinain na lang yung pao. Ming, may laman pa yun ah.
Secretary Rittenhouse served his country with full devotion. He resigned for personal reasons. Now, I can promise you this, all of you,
May pusa namin oh.
everyone listening to my voice,
Matakaw sa
some
paa
point
ng manok.
in the next 10 months. All of us
Tinik
will
na siya.
entertain our worst fears and concerns.
Walang tinik yan,
So
pero
I can
tinik
also
siya.
promise you this,
Ayan oh. Oh.
life will go on. We will prevail. Sally?
Sir, what is the comet name?
The two scientists who found the comet that killed
Sige, kainin niya ng aso.
their observatory to
Sige.
the
Bala ka pa kinuha yan ni Bruno. Oo.
Ng pusa, dapat talaga sabihin ni Mami. Ganun eh. Napatigil si Mami.
Ng aso.
Kakainin ng aso yan.
Kainin mo na. Kulang kasi isang paa eh.
Anong kulang sa pa?
Kulang yung daliri. Parang kinagatan. Ayoko nang kung hindi kumplito.
Ako ba't
Ba't ikaw hindi sabi? Parang hindi ka man tumikim.
Magat ako, akin nga yung tuloy.
Ang gago ka pala eh. Akala ko ako lang kumain yun eh. Ayoko tuloy. Pagtingin ko kulang isa pa eh. Kulang isang daliri. Ayoko.
As far as we know, what happened was
Eh binigay ko na.
saw the comet in my photograph. So, shared the
Yun yung pusa namin, no? Sinakmal niya. Kasi, mga agaw.
everything got mixed up in Mars.
Ayan, oh.
Asan yung isa?
Ito.
Ayun yung isa. O kainin mo yung mga maliliit. Siya lang.
I don't want anyone to think that I'm
Yung pusa namin matakaw sa paa ng manok.
you know, you're gonna have sex a lot more now than anyone else in the class.